In this question, we're asked to work out 4 1/5, take away 2 2/3, giving our answer as a mixed number. Now before we can start, we need to convert these two mixed numbers into improper fractions, because this will allow us to subtract them. So let's start with 4 1/5. 4 1/5 can be written as 4 plus 1/5. We also know that 4 can be written as 20 over 5, because 20 divided by 5 is equal to 4. And so 4 plus 1/5 is equivalent to 20 over 5 plus 1 over 5, which is equal to 21 over 5. And so 4 1/5, written as an improper fraction, would be equal to 21 over 5. Now we can do the same with 2 2/3. 2 2/3 can be written as 2 plus 2/3. Now to write 2 as a fraction with a denominator of 3, we can say that 2 is equal to 6 over 3, because 6 divided by 3 is equal to 2. And so 2 plus 2 over 3 is equivalent to 6 over 3 plus 2 over 3, which is equal to 8 over 3. And so we found that 2 2/3, written as an improper fraction, is equal to 8 over 3. Now when we subtract fractions, we need a common denominator. So we have the two fractions 21 over 5 and 8 over 3. We can make both fractions have a denominator of 15 in order for them to have a common denominator. Now to make the fraction 21 over 5 have a denominator of 15, we need to multiply both the numerator and the denominator by 3. 21 multiplied by 3 is equal to 63, and 5 multiplied by 3 is equal to 15. And so 21 over 5 is equivalent to 63 over 15. Now we can do the same thing for 8 over 3. We want this fraction to have a denominator of 15, and so we can multiply both the numerator and the denominator by 5. 8 multiplied by 5 is equal to 40, and 3 multiplied by 5 is 15. And so 8 over 3 is equivalent to 40 over 15. And so to work out 4 1/5, take away 2 2/3, well, we know that 4 1/5 is equivalent to 63 over 15, and 2 2/3 is equivalent to 40 over 15. And so we'd need to find 63 over 15, take away 40 over 15. Now since they have the same denominator, we just need to focus on subtracting the numerators. 63 take away 40 is equal to 23. And so 63 over 15 take away 40 over 15 is equal to 23 over 15. But now this isn't our final answer, because we need to give our answer as a mixed number. And so essentially, to convert from an improper fraction to a mixed number, we'd do the opposite of what we did at the beginning. 23 over 15 can be written as 15 over 15 plus 8 over 15, because 15 plus 8 is equal to 23. Now 15 over 15 is equivalent to 1. And so 15 over 15 plus 8 over 15 can be written as 1 plus 8 over 15. And as a mixed number, this would be equal to 1 and 8 over 15. And so we've found that 4 1/5, take away 2 2/3, is equal to 1 and 8 over 15. Now this question is worth 3 marks. We get the first mark for converting the original mixed numbers into improper fractions. We get the second mark for finding 21 over 5, take away 8 over 3, by making these fractions have a common denominator, and for therefore finding that 21 over 5, take away 8 over 3, is equal to 23 over 15. And we get the third and final mark for converting 23 over 15 into a mixed number, and for therefore correctly finding that 4 1/5, take away 2 2/3, is equal to 1 and 8 over 15. Allowing us to get the full 3 marks needed in this question.